Hello, thank you for joining me in a new video. This time, let me share with you what I like the most and the least about the Galaxy S24 FE after putting it to the test, just in case you're thinking about purchasing it. So, as always, let me remind you, do not buy the Galaxy S24 FE without watching this entire video. Keep in mind that this will be a summary, but you can find the full video review available for you to learn every detail about this cell phone. Let's consider its launch price, which in Mexico has been 16,999 pesos, although it has practically been a price of adornment. Currently on Amazon, you can find it at 9,999 pesos. At that price, there is nothing better you can buy. Possibly on screen, you were seeing the reference prices in dollars to give you an idea, but we will use the reference price to analyze this device. Let's start with what I like the most. The design employs high-quality materials such as Gorilla Glass Victus and aluminum frames, which protect the screen effectively. It also boasts an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. The screen itself is excellent in terms of hardware contact, and it is further enhanced with Vision Booster technology. This feature allows the screen to subtly adjust the colors and optimize the display when exposed to sunlight. The camera system is impressive, featuring main, ultra-wide and telephoto lenses, which generally provide us with good quality photos. However, one of its standout features is its remarkable ability to record in 4K, along with a variety of additional recording options. Another highlight is the software, which includes Android 14 and One UI 6.1. It offers an impressive 7 years of software updates and includes the full Galaxy AI suite. This suite provides a multitude of artificial intelligence features and numerous security options. These include a secure folder, a child mode, and many other options. Additionally, it offers modes, routines, and floating windows that make the productivity very high on it. In fact, it also supports Samsung DeX to have a desktop experience with an external monitor, so you're guaranteed productivity. And in my test, the Exynos 2400 performs very well in applications and even video editing. But not everything pleased me. For starters, the launch price seems to me exaggeratedly high. Although, as I say, I think that nowadays you can almost always find it at a discount in other stores. The bezels on this device are noticeably thick, and they don't provide that appealing appearance you might expect when compared to other devices within the same price range. This makes the front look as if it belongs to a device that's much less expensive. Additionally, I wasn't impressed with the speakers, as they tend to overly emphasize the mid-frequencies. Personally, I found the sound to be quite irritating and not particularly enjoyable for listening to music or anything else. While the equalizer offers some assistance, it doesn't completely resolve the issue of that sound. I didn't really like it. The front camera comes with a fixed focus, which means you can't focus on any object you want to bring closer to the camera. If you're someone who enjoys recording vlogs or is looking to create content with this device, I believe that the front camera having this limitation is going to result in a less enjoyable experience for you. Additionally, the ultra-wide camera on the back also features a fixed focus, which means it doesn't function as a macro camera. Although this issue is less critical than the previous one, it's still something we can question a bit. Now, there are a number of improvements here. Regarding the battery, you'll notice that it doesn't quite stand out, especially during sessions of very heavy usage. The charging speed of 25 watts may not be as quick as some other devices. Also, the fingerprint reader is optical, allowing you to register only 3 fingerprints. The optical nature can be overlooked since most in this price range are similar, but it's worth noting that most allow up to 5 fingerprint registrations. In this case, you have a much more limited selection. And although the Exynos 2400 demonstrated that it performs quite well in applications or video editing, it's not the best choice for demanding games. You'll notice it can occasionally lock up, and if you try recording the screen to create gameplays, the experience is definitely poor. Hopefully this will be fixed with an update, but I am unsure if that will happen. And finally, the RAM memory management is not currently optimal. Hopefully with One UI 7 this issue will be improved, because if it isn't, you might experience app reboots and encounter white screens when you have many applications open. However, let me know if you've already purchased this phone and share your experience in the comments below. For now, we have reached the conclusion of this video. If you enjoyed it, you know you can let us know. We'll see you in the next one.